So you must be in guide eye to do this. So if you're on this side, you can't do what I'm about to do. You can only edit the normal way. But when you're in guide eye, you can actually go into something and you don't need to alter the address. In other words, if I wanted to make that tool 1, all I'd have to do is put 0101 and alter, and that changes it. Okay, so I can put 0606 alter. I can put T0101 and alter, which you can write the whole thing, but you don't need to. It just makes it much quicker. And what you'll see on that machine is it's got question marks in the fixed form, but I tend not to do it like that because you just have to change it anyway. So why not just change that as opposed to changing the question mark? But at least you've got something already in there. So that's how you change things in guide eye. You just go to that character and just change the number. If I want to make that G55, I just put 55 and alter. It's also got, which is absolutely brilliant, which most other controls haven't got, it's got an undo button. So if I press undo, it's gone back to 54. It's restricted to about 9, I think it is, undo.
Yeah, that's the one good thing with Haas.
Yeah, they've got
it as well when you make a mistake and you can't.
Okay, yeah, you can stop that now then.